Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we're driving into the future of electric vehicles. Today, we're talking about a crucial aspect of owning an EV: battery life. You might think that electric vehicles are all sunshine and rainbows. They never run out of juice, right? But the truth is, every system in an EV depends on its battery, and it's not as invincible as you'd like. In fact, even simple actions like turning on your air conditioning can quickly drain its range. Let's take a closer look at what impacts your EV's battery life. From heating systems to operating systems, any device that consumes power takes a toll on the battery. And then there's how often and for how long you charge it. Overcharging is a stressor on many batteries, so be mindful of those charging sessions. But here's the thing: most modern vehicles come equipped with safeguards that protect against overcharging. However, some others rely on owners to keep an eye out for these issues. And when it comes down to it, the U.S. Department of Energy advises charging your EV between 20% and 80% at all times. Now, you might be wondering what else affects battery life in your EV? Well, experts say heat takes a toll on batteries, warm temperatures accelerate degradation, while cold weather has an impact as well. And let's not forget about weight. Towing can significantly reduce your range. So how do you start maximizing your battery range with every drive? Consult your owner's manual or mobile app to learn more about optimizing your EV's performance. In conclusion, understanding the factors that affect your EV's battery life is key to extending its lifespan. Stay informed, stay charged, and with the right knowledge, you can unlock a longer driving future for yourself.